Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm glad to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a two-door region styling the refrigerators. And let me give you the measurements first. The unit's entire length is about like a 55 inches wide. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 80.5 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 32.5 inches deep. As we can see, the units have a controller on the top, and they have a switches here, our brand's name, and also they do have two lockers for the door. The door is swing doors, and the shelf close. For the unit's inner side, we can see they have a made in by the all stainless steel surface. The door and the back and the side, they all come in with the stainless steels, and have a 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 adjustable shelvings. And let me give you the measurement for the inner side. The inner side about like a 25.5 inches deep. And the height of the unit is about like almost like a 50 inches tall. And the wide about like a 49 inches wide. When we open the door, we can see they have 2 big circulating air fans on top of the units, and the one light right here, easy for to check the stuff for the inner side, and all the things you can see made by all stainless steels. From back side of the units, we have a sticker information right here. We can see the EPL sanitations, all the cost sheets and details for the units. At the bottom, we can see the compressor right here, they mounted, and have the water drinking pans right at the bottoms. And also, they do having the US standard plugs 110 powers, so you don't need to get a special power for the units. This will be all information about our products, and if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.